Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use your Gmail scheduling feature. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, go ahead and open any browser that you're comfortable with and simply go ahead and search for Gmail. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on compose to go ahead and compose a message. So for example, I'm going to send it to someone. Hi, how are you? Or for example, happy birthday, right? And now I want to send this in a scheduled manner exactly at 12 p.m. What I can do is simply go ahead and on the right side of the send button, there's going to be more send options. Click on schedule send. And now this is where you can pick a date and time. So for example, I want to send it on Friday at 12 p.m. So 00 p.m. and there you go. It's going to be send scheduled for October 17, 12 p.m. That is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.